From this to this. Hello netizens, karibuni back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for clicking. My kawaida subscribers, thank you so much for staying tuned. I'm starting off with my brows and I'm using the Yizia Wax Gel to brush them upwards and hold them in place. Then I'm taking my edge comb to really lay them down neatly. Next, I'm going in with my eyebrow pencil to fill in any spaces areas, keeping everything very light and natural. To clean them up and make them pop, I'm applying concealer underneath the brows. Then I'm using the foundation shade on the front and top part of my brows to blend everything seamlessly and give them that soft natural finish. Moving on to the face, I'm starting with my Mattifying Primer and blending that into the skin for a smooth base. Then I am applying my foundation, the same shade I used around my brows, and blending it in with a damp beauty sponge using a dabbing motion. Remember, tap, 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 tap. Don't drag. This helps the foundation melt beautifully into the skin. Yeah, girl, if you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button to join the fam. Yeah. Then I'm adding a little cream blush for the soft, healthy flush. Using my sponge, I'm blending everything in with the same tapping motion to keep the coverage flawless. For the concealer, I am switching to a brush to blend it into the blush seamlessly for that airbrushed effect. To set everything in place, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Press Powder in the shade 330 and pressing that into the skin for a smooth matte finish. Then I'm going in with contour around my cheekbones, jawline and the perimeter of my forehead to add warmth and definition. Once that's done, I'm dusting off any excess powder with my powder brush. It's been a hot minute. Ooh, it's been a hot minute. It's been a hot minute. Ooh, it's been a hot minute. It's been a hot minute. Ooh, it's been a hot minute. It's been a hot. Then I'm locking everything in with setting spray so the makeup stays flawless all day. Now for the eyes, I'm adding mascara to make my lashes pop. Then I am applying individual lashes for a soft, wispy look that adds volume without being too dramatic. For lips, I'm lining them with my brown pencil to define the shape and add dimension. Yeah, girl, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button to join the fam. Then I'm going in with a nude lipstick and blending everything together for the perfect nude lip combo. Woo! And voila, this is the final look. Soft, clean, and effortlessly flawless. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll keep you in the next one. Bye guys.